Here we have a Velar R Dynamic in Eiger Grey. You have black roof rails, 20-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, privacy glass, powered tailgate and keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have R Dynamic tread plates and a full leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A rear view camera, which also has a 3D surround option, and off-roading, making it easier to park and reverse also. Sat nav and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control and a speed limiter, along with lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which makes it easier when driving along the motorway, and it's also safer. A heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. Various different driving modes depending on where you're driving or the weather. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 13 miles. And you also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.